Once upon a time, in a little village at the foot of a mountain, lived a tiny mouse. He was the smallest mouse in the whole village, and the other mice teased him for being so small. They'd say, "Hey, little mouse, why don't you collect some dirt and build yourself a bigger house? Or why don't you collect some food and store it away for the winter? You're too small to find any, but that would be a good start." And every time they passed by his house, they'd kick some pebbles into his garden just to annoy him. And so the little mouse lived his life alone, collecting things he liked. He collected shiny buttons and smooth pebbles and colorful scraps of cloth. But mostly he collected smiles. He collected smiles by making people laugh. Whenever he saw someone looking sad, he'd run up to them and do a little dance. If it made them smile, he'd collect their smile and take it home. Now, you might ask, how does a mouse collect a smile? Well, it's quite simple. All he has to do is get 2 pieces of string and tie them together to make a swing, and then hang it from a tree branch. And whenever someone's face lights up with a smile, he knows he's done his job well. One day, while he was collecting smiles, he met an old woman who was crying. She'd lost her cat, Mittens. The little mouse asked her, "Why are you sad?" And she told him about her missing cat. She said, "Mittens is my best friend. We play together every day, but today she disappeared." The little mouse thought for a moment. He knew he couldn't make her smile, but maybe he could help her find Mittens. So he said, "I'll help you find your cat. Let's go." They walked around the village, and after a while, the little mouse spotted Mittens. She was stuck in a drain pipe. The little mouse quickly ran over to her and started talking. "Hello, little kitty." Mittens meowed sadly. The little mouse thought for a moment. He was too small to pull her out, but maybe the old woman could. So he ran back to her and said, "I found your cat. Come quickly." The old woman was so happy to see Mittens. She scooped her up and hugged her. Then she turned to the little mouse and said, "Thank you for helping us. How can I ever repay you?" The little mouse thought for a moment. "Well, I like collecting smiles, but I have something I like even more." "Will you come with me?" the old woman asked. "Where are we going?" The little mouse led her outside the village to where all the houses were dark and empty. It was nighttime. The little mouse climbed up a tree and stood on a branch. "Here, this is my favorite place in the whole world," he said. "Why is that?" the old woman asked. "Because at night everyone is sleeping, so I can collect their dreams." And with that, the little mouse closed his eyes and floated off to sleep. The old woman looked around her at all the sleeping houses. She realized that the little mouse was right. This was a magical place. And so she stayed with him, collecting dreams until the sun came up and the little mouse went back to his pebble house. He had so many dreams to sort through, so many stories to remember. And when he woke up, the first thing he did was run to the window to collect the new smiles that were just beginning to appear. From that day on, the old woman visited the little mouse every day. She helped him collect smiles and listened to the dreams they gathered each night. And though the other mice still teased him for collecting smiles instead of food or for collecting dreams instead of things, the little mouse didn't care. He was happy because now he wasn't alone.